What's up, YouTube? First off, man, I wanted to say major salute to those of you that did your thing in the Discord on today. We had a play with Microsoft. We bought a call on that after the massive drop that it had in the market, guys. We saw an opportunity for you all to make some money, man, and we took this shot. We often talk about one shot, one kill. Many of you joined in on that with us on today and knocked it out the park. And I just want to say major salute, man. Matter of fact, guys, if you are not in the Discord, please consider joining. The link for that is in the description below, okay? But we had a 230 strike on Microsoft today, and it ran up way past what I even was looking for in terms of you guys making money on the day. But we were in and out by around 233, 234 ish. But that play went on almost be green on the day after earnings and after a huge sell-off in pre-market and at market open. Okay, but guys, that's what it's all about, man. Understanding support levels, understanding where stocks will bounce off, where the reversals will take place at, and many of you were able to take part in that on today, as well as the 3M play yesterday. And so I just wanted to first kick this video off by saying major salute. Secondly, guys, things that I want you to be on the lookout for with our Tesla play running up, okay? It already is at some of the levels I called out, like 150, for example. And so I want us to not only look for maybe some friction around 155, it might pull back to 150, 152 before heading to 158 and possibly even higher from there, depending on how the rest of the market is doing. So I often talk about the importance of you guys playing things level to level. I want to make sure that you guys understand that en route to levels, there will be certain points that it runs into resistance, okay? Then it might trade at that level for a few minutes, a few hours, then it'll break through, okay? And so just understand that on your trading journey, sometimes it's a good time to lock in profits, then re-enter your position. Okay, it's all kind of ways you can choose to go about it. If you got enough time in your expiration, you can hold it a little longer and weather the storms that your plays will go through, okay? The other thing I want to, I should say, us to focus on for tomorrow is just how the market reacts to some of the economic data that may come out, okay? I believe if it goes in a positive direction, that it will bode well for our bull case, all right? But if it doesn't, I don't think it's going to fully derail the current trend that we're on, at least not yet, okay? If we're going to get derailed, I believe it will happen when Fed Powell begins to speak, and I think he will be the catalyst that stops all the momentum and push us back down, okay? So I think we got at least 1 or 2 more days to run up, hit certain levels, make our money, and then we may enter a new game plan, whether we choose to, if the market want to shift down, then we'll ride some of these plays down. Does that make sense? So that's what I'm kind of thinking in terms of things I want you guys to be on the lookout for. But things I want you guys to do and consider for tomorrow, and just to close out the rest of this week, we got Netflix behind us in earnings. We got Tesla behind us now. We got Microsoft behind us now. Looking forward, you got Apple coming up. You're going to have Amazon coming up. You guys going to have Google coming up. And so we still got a few more heavy hitters to report. So those companies will also bring opportunities that we can, again, choose to take advantage of, if you will, okay? So be on the lookout for that, because we may either trade sideways, we may make some new highs, but I want you guys to be along for the ride, okay? And I want you guys to have a clear plan of action on where stocks are headed, where is resistance going to be. If we get rejected at those levels, what can you expect the stocks to come back to? Things of that nature, okay? Just understanding the game from a holistic point of view is what I'm concerned with at this point in time, okay? So do me a favor, man. What I want you guys to make sure you are ready to do, first and foremost, get in the Discord. If you know you need support, don't hesitate to invest in yourself, guys, whether it's one-on-one coaching, whether it's getting some help inside of our private community, inside the Discord, for myself or other pro investors that's in there, we're here to help. We're here to expedite your learning curve. We're here to walk alongside you. So please take advantage of those types of things, man. You don't find people that's willing and that has the spirit of service every day. So when you come across it, guys, your spirit has to your radar has to go off, and that has to resonate with you on a deeper level, that okay, this is somebody that's willing to walk alongside me, make sure I understand what I'm doing, make sure I know what I'm doing, make sure I got the right information, willing to be patient, willing to take his time. You know what I'm saying, guys? That stuff is, again, rare. All right, especially when nobody don't have an agenda. With me, I just want to see you win, and I know that this game is something you all can master. This game is something you all can become dominant at, and you can use it how you see fit. If you want to use it to lead a corporate plantation, you can do so. If you want to use it just to make a little bit of more supplemental income, you can use it in that manner. But the choice is yours once you learn the skills. And now what I'm here to do is to teach you guys how to fish, okay? So with that being said, man, I want to say major salute to those of you that are part of the community. I want to welcome anybody that's new to what we do around here. We have a good time. We try to create a family vibe and a family atmosphere, and we like to just see each other win and love on each other along this journey, okay? There will be some up days. There'll be some down days. There'll be some atrocious days in the market, but when you stick together and you can laugh about it and lose some money together, make some money together, guys, again, it makes it all the better, okay? So just want to put that on you guys today. I want you to understand that the Tesla earnings will be looking to play the continuation, because that play should continue to move higher on tomorrow and maybe into Friday before it reaches its key levels and then begins to either stall out or before the market begins to fade it and start to try to push it back down. But nevertheless, I want you to be surgical. I want you to be efficient with you making money within that play, as well as any other play you guys choose to do on tomorrow, okay? So do me that favor as I think about that. Also, keep your eye on the SPY. SPY closed again at the $400 level, and that's key. Told you guys yesterday how critical that was, and today here we have, it was pushed all the way down to 393 and was able to bounce back to 400 at close, okay? And so hopefully we can get a gap up to 402 and blow past that level and route to 403 and eventually 405. That will say a lot, but that remains to be seen. So again, tap in first thing in the morning. I'll be giving the morning brief out in the Discord so that I can make sure you guys have a game plan, have an understanding of what these stocks is looking to do and how they're looking to move and what moves we're looking to make, because that's what it all comes down to. I'm concerned about us, okay? I don't care about a lot of other things. I just know making money is what I love to do, but making money is what I love to help others do. And if you know your levels, if you know how the game go, you can help a lot of people. And I can see a lot of you guys be successful in that, okay? So do me that favor. We'll be having our eye on the SPY, because if it can get above 400, that opens the door for a lot of more stocks to run as well, okay? Tesla probably gonna run regardless because of earnings, but you want to see other stocks join the party, because then that validates the run up, okay? You don't want to just have a lone runner by itself, because it's easy to just target that stock and push it down. You want to see Apple participate. You want to see Amazon participate. You want to see energy. You want to see a breadth of other stocks and companies participate on the rally if the SPY gets to moving, okay? And so that's what we'll be looking for, but we still have other conditions at play. So we can't just get ahead of ourselves. We still got to be patient. We still got to be disciplined. We still got to keep our emotions intact. We still got to show up every day, bring our A game, okay? So with that being said, man, understand we got a lot ahead of us that's going to provide some ample opportunity for us to do our thing. I want to see you guys get busy this week to close out both Thursday and Friday, and we want to end the week on a positive note, okay? So with that being said, man, I'm going to wrap this video up. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.